Okay, it's an ongoing project, but this is just to show you something interesting if you're more on a budget. These switches, these are regular light switches from hardware stores. You take the metal bracket off it and they make nice little switches. You can glue them on, stick them on wherever you want. And they're very inexpensive, much cheaper than a regular switch if you tried to buy it. And they handle a lot of power. So this is a 12-volt fan from a car. It does draw 15 amps when it starts and 8 amps running. And it's quite loud. This is an on-off switch here. To have it at a lower speed, if you don't want to buy a more expensive voltage controller, you can just have another switch, and when you click this switch in, instead of going straight to the motor, it goes through this series of thin wires that wrap around the outside, and those provide increased resistance to the flow of electricity and therefore slow it down so the fan runs slower. So I'm going to turn it on. I don't know if you can still hear me, but you'll see the difference. And so you have a cheap way to slow something down. I did have to experiment with these, how much wire to use. It doesn't get hot though, and I did measure the power that it uses. It doesn't waste a lot of the power. It actually draws a lot more power from a power meter, so it works out well.